So we are resuming. We were doing that the rule number 3, and the rule number 3 over here, as I told you in the previous session, there is 3 letters that dal, dal, za. Either of them come in the place of kalimatul fa in babu iftial. Then ta iftial is to be changed into dal wajiban. This is the first thing. First thing we have to do. So let's see the example. Example is over there. It is id ta'a. So ta is going to be changed into dal because the first harf is dal, that is sakin, and the second is mutaharrik. That is to be, so that's supposed to be, the first dal is mudgham and second is mudgham fi. So it will be idda'a, idda'a. But in the case of is takara, the ta is going to be changed into dal, so it becomes is takara, is takara. Now we'll learn about idgham later on. Is tajara, ta will be changed into dal, it will be is dajara. And now when it comes to idgham, now we'll discuss about the idgham, that is wujubi or jawazi. So the first thing we have discussed, I repeat it, that from 3 huruf, that is dal, dal, and za, if any of them they come in the place of kalimatul fa, then the ta iftal is going to be changed into dal, that is wajib. And if there is a dal, definitely without any question in kalimatul fa, the dal is over there because the other ta is going to be changed into dal. So there will be idgham. There's no question about it. That idgham will be wujubi. But what about the other letters? So we are going to do that. I hope that it is understood until now.
Yes, I understood.
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
So moreover, there are 2 forms of idgham in them. Means in them when 3 letters come in the kalimatul fa, when the ta is going to be changed into dal, one of them is wujubi and the second one is jawazi. So wujubi, what is wujubi? If kalimatul fa is dal, then ta iftal is to be changed into dal, and the idgham of dal into dal is to be done wujuban. Is to be done wujuban. So if it is id tafa'a, id tafa'a, so dal, ta is going to be changed into dal. Let me come over here. There. This is id tafa'a. So this dal of iftial is going to be changed into dal wujuban. Then the idgham of mudgham into mudgham fi, that is the dal that has been replaced with ta. So this will be mean that has been brought in the place of ta. So that would be mudgham fi. So idgham is wajib. So it will be iddafar, iddafar, right? So this is what wajib. There's no question about it. Now we are going to come to the forms. They are jawazi. They are not wajib but jawazi. Now we are left with 2 letters, dal and za. Dal and za. Now, if kalimatul fa is dal, then ta iftal is to be changed into dal, and afterwards dal can be changed into either into dal, sorry, dal or dal. I mentioned in both dal. I will inshallah correct them and share it with you again, inshallah. Don't worry about this. We make errors. So what is the crux over here? And let me try to make you understand. In kalimatul fa, if dal comes, then the ta iftial is going to be changed into dal, that is understood. And then afterwards, dal either can be changed into dal. No, it is written correctly. It is correctly. Or dal can be changed into dal. What is it? That the dal can be changed into dal, that is kalimatul fa. the dal of kalimatul fa is to be changed into dal that has been changed with ta, right? So that is what jawazan. And when we talk about jawazan, we are doing for the sake of idgham. And if we do not do that, then even that is what okay to keep it as it is. So let's see, like it is the kara, is the kara. So because dal is in the place of kalimatul fa, ta is going to be changed into dal. Is it becomes is the kara, is the kara. Now we have two options. Either this dal is to be changed into dal. If this dal is going to be changed into dal, the first will be mudgham and second will be mudgham fi. So it will become iddakara, iddakara. But if we change this dal into dal, right? So because of this first previous dal. So first dal will be mudgham and second dal will be mudgham fi. So it will become iddakara. So there are three forms. We can opt in one of them. What is that? I repeat it. If dal comes in the place of kalimatul fa in babu iftial, then ta babu iftial is going to change into dal, that is wajib. Afterwards, the dal that has been changed from ta, that can be changed into dal, or the dal that is kalimatul fa, that can be changed into dal, and idgham can be done jawazan. So if we just look at is the kara, ta is going to be changed to dal, it will become is the kara. So either now we can change the dal into dal. If we change the dal into dal, that will become is the kara. And if we change the dal into dal, so it will be is the kara. So that is what jawazan. I hope you understand. Any questions?
So is that in this instance, if dakara is also jawazan, we can use if dakara as well?
No, it is jawazan. Is dhakara is jawazan. Id dhakara jawazan. Is dhakara is also the option. Means idgham, performing idgham, either dal into dal or dal into dal. That is what jawazan, not wujuban. Aman, do you understand? Or if you have any questions, you can raise. Don't worry.
No, I was just Gigi. I understand now.
Very good. Sister Saima, any questions of yours?
Alhamdulillah, understand.
Alhamdulillah. Now, how many letters are left in this roll?
Za.
Okay, Sister Saima, go ahead. Make us understand.
Right, okay, so if the kalimatul fa happens to be za, then the ta of ifti'al can be changed into dal. Then afterwards, the dal can either be changed into za, and za can be mudgham into mudgham fi zal. So here, if you see, the kalimatul fa has come, za has come in kalimatul fa, and because ta of ifti'al is there, then that changes into za. No, sorry, it changes into dal.
Za.
Yes, no? It changes into za, sorry. Okay. It changes into za.
No issues. You have time to make us understand. And you can also tell us that either we have two options, changing dal into za and za into dal, or only one option. Yes, go ahead.
Right, okay, so then after this, you're allowed to change the wait on, let me see, let me just read it back here. Change to dal, then afterwards dal can be changed into the za, and za can be changed into the dal, right? Okay, so then the dal can
actually, please, I think there is mistake. We are cutting either over there.
Sorry, right? Okay, can either, oh, okay,
either is
then afterwards dal.
Yes.
Right, okay. So then afterwards dal can be changed into za.
Only one option.
Yes, so if right, okay, so if the dal is to be changed into a za, then we have to do idgham and it becomes izjara.
Okay. Okay.
Is that correct?
Yes, correct. No issues. So you wanted to tell us, I'm rephrasing your words. You wanted to tell us if the kalimatul
I didn't do,
fa
I didn't do a good job anyway.
no, happens to be za. This was the first point of yours. If the kalimatul fa happens to be za,
Yes.
then ta iftial can be changed into dal, and we know that is what wujuban. Then afterwards, dal that has been changed with ta means it has come in the place of ta. The dal can be changed into za, and the za can be mudgham into the other za mudgham fi, because the dal that again has been changed into za. So it can be mudgham fi. So from is tajara, it will be is dajara. Now we have got the option of the changing of dal into za jawazan over here. We see it like it was is tajara. Ta will be replaced with dal, so it becomes is dajara. Now we have another option to change this dal into za, so it will be is zajara. So the idgham will be jawazan, so it will be is zajara. Right, sister?
Yes, sir.
So we have got means we have two options to change is tajara, either to keep it as is tajara or to change the dal into za, and the process after that process it will be is zajara, right?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, brother Eman, come to this note. Note if babe fa iftial. What is this? Read it first. You read it loud, and then after reading it, then make us understand. First, read it.
So it's saying if fa iftial is tha, then ta iftial can be changed into tha and idgham can be applied. So instead of having ta in bab iftial, if you have tha in its place, then that tha can be changed. Then the ta can be changed into tha. Uh, so this is not making sense to me. So
This is what?
if you have tha, if you have tha in place of ta,
If
then
fa
the
iftial is tha, means tha
okay.
fa iftial, like is ta'ara, that at the place of
Okay.
kalimatul fa it is tha. It is ta'ara, if ta'ala, right? Then the bab
Ji,
ta
ji.
ba iftal can be changed into tha.
Okay, okay.
That is what jawazan, not wujuban. It can be ista'ara, but because of kalimatul fa, in the place of kalimatul fa, that is sa, so
Tha.
the ta of bab iftal can be changed into sa. Now when that has been changed into sa, so it has
Okay.
become mudgham and mudgham fi. So it will be istara.
Ji.
Tell us again.
So if there is tha in the place of ta iftial, then that tha.
If sa is in the place of kalimatul fa.
Oh yes, sorry, yes. If tha is in place of kalimatul fa of bab iftial, then that tha will be changed. Yeah, then that tha can have a mudgham with ta, and it will become itha.
Then ta iftial, Eman, we are discussing. Then ta iftial can be changed into tha. And what is the condition? Where tha comes in the place of kalimatul fa in babu iftial. Repeat the words. Don't worry.
So yani basically, Ustad, what he's saying is that the mudgham fihi can be made into the mudgham, and then you can do the idgham.
And what is the condition? First, tell us the condition. We need to discuss the condition. What is the condition?
The condition is if is fa iftial has tha on it. So if tha is fa iftial, then the ta of iftial can be changed into tha.
Okay, I will saying repeat. You have to repeat every sentence right now. Repeat before me,
Ji.
after me. If kalimatul fa in the bab iftial is tha.
If kalimatul fa in bab iftial is tha.
Yes, means tha comes in the place of kalimatul fa.
Okay, so tha comes in place of kalimatul fa.
Then ta iftial can be changed into tha.
Okay, so then ta will be changed, it can be changed into tha.
Then the idgham can be performed because there are two
And
tha.
then
First
idgham can be
tha is
performed.
what
Okay.
kalimatul fa in the bab iftial, and the second tha that was brought in the place of ta of bab iftial. So there is what the first tha is mudgham, the second tha that was brought in the place of kalimatul ta, that is mudgham fi. So idgham can be applied. So from ithara it becomes ithara. You understand?
Ji.
Sure?
Maybe if you can repeat it once again, Ustad.
Yes. Do you have pen and
Ji,
paper
ji.
in front of you?
Ji.
Write down if ta'ala,
Okay.
written.
Yes. Ji.
Down it means under it, write down ista'ara,
Ji.
written. Now you see
Ji.
that because mizan is if ta'ala. Now
Ji.
where the kalimatul fa is, in our siga, ta has been brought. So on the
Yes.
wazn of if ta'ala, it is ista'ara. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now means we say that ta is the kalimatul fa in this siga. So the ta of bab iftial, that is ta is zaida. Because of kalimatul fa, there is ta. That ta can be changed into tha, right?
Okay.
Then
Okay.
write down. It will be is sa'ara. Write down is sa'ara.
Uh-huh.
Written.
Ji.
Now you see there are two thas. But the first tha is mudgham and means sakin, and the second is what maftuh. So the first is mudgham, the second is mudgham fi. So now from ithara, it can be ithara,
Yes.
right? Understood?
Ji. Ji. Ji.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. And let me bring you both of you, sister. You also take a pen if you've got pen.
Okay, sir, I've got one.
Pen and paper, please. Both of you.
Yes, sir, we're ready.
Okay. Now write down the word i'tazara. Hamza wasal and then Hamza sakin. I'tazara.
Yes, sir.
Ji.
That is also on the scale of ifta'ala. So you can write above this siga ifta'ala. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now that Hamza is going to be changed into ya. So it will be itazara. From itazara, it is itazara. Done.
Ji.
Yes.
Now, according to the first rule, we learned about huruf ta. Do you think that ya qualifies to be changed into ta and made idgham, to be made idgham?
Um,
Yes.
Because we learned when Waw or ya comes at the place of kalimatul fa as a root letter. Remember, as a root letter.
Oh.
In Bab Iftial, then it is to be replaced or changed to ta and to be made mudgham to the ta of Bab Iftial. So from ibta'ada, it becomes itta'ada. Ibtasala, ittasala. Itasara, ittasara. If the ya or waw comes at the place of hamza, then it is inappropriate to change it with ta. Now, because the ya that was changed from hamza, so do you think does this rule apply here?
No, sorry, it doesn't apply.
Very good. Do you, brother, do you understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
MashaAllah, very good. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So, what is your suggestion? Shall we proceed further? That is enough for today.
What time is it, sir? We've done our 2 sessions. We've done our 2 sessions, haven't we, sir?
Yes?
I'm just looking at the time to see how many sessions we've done. And alhamdulillah, we've done 2 sessions.
So means it is, no, actually doesn't mean 2 sessions, means if you are overburdened, so I have to go with, to complete the session. I want to
Right,
see,
okay.
so I want to,
Right,
I want to see your convenience because these are very advanced, Hawaii, they are not easy.
you can say that again, sir.
So, yes.
Yeah, maybe just one more, sir. Just one more.
Okay. So, brother Eman, what do you say?
Gee, let's try, inshallah. I can digest one more, hopefully.
I understand. Okay, sister, now actually this, the 4th rule that relates to 12 huruf. I was just want to tell you this and I will leave it to you to understand and digest yourself, both of you. Once you do it on your own, then definitely we'll discuss together, inshallah. So these are the 12 huruf. There are 12 huruf. And 12 huruf, we have got 2, means we have divided in the first one with the babu iftial, and the second one that belongs to babu tafa'ul and tafa'ul. Okay, so when it comes to 12 huruf, so first of all we will have to see their means we have to treat them with respect to babu iftial and subject to conditions. And these 12 huruf, then the treatment with respect to babu tafa'ul and tafa'ul, right? So what is the first thing we need to understand?
Sorry.
Yes.
So I can only see 11 huruf there, unless there's one missing.
One is
There's
missing.
12.
Okay. If one is missing, inshallah, I'll supply back one more supply back. I'll see it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, one is missing. I'll bring it the last one, whatever is. Okay. So what is the crux or what is the point over here? The point we need to understand. The point is this, that if any of 12 huruf, that is ta, tha, dal, dal, za, sin, shin, swad, wad, wa, and one more, come in the kalimatul ain of babu iftial, any of them become kalimatul ain of the babu iftial, the ta iftial can be changed into jins of kalimatul ain jawazan. And there is option of changing taf babu iftial into kalimatul ain jawazan, and idgham can be applied. After the idgham in masdar, in madhi, amr and masdar. In madhi, amr and masdar, the kalimatul fa becomes mutaharrik. In such a case, hamzatul wasl is to be dropped, means it has to be made hadaf, mahduf. So from ikhtasama, it becomes khassama. From iqtatala, it becomes qattala. Now you have to focus on the change and the related things. So just gave you example, means gave you a hint, not I'm going to explain it. Now you have to ponder on it, that how it can be done. So this I'm leaving it up to you. But you have to remember these things, that if 12 huruf, they come in the place of kalimatul ain of babu ifti'al. So the harf that we have missed, I think, that is ra. That
Is it
is ra.
Jisa?
Ra.
Oh, is it wrong? Okay.
Ra is missing. Ra
Okay.
is missing. Right. So if that becomes part of kalimat, that comes
Okay.
in the place of kalimatul ain in babu iftial, then ta iftial can be changed. Then ta iftial can be changed into the jins of kalimatul ain. Ta iftial can be changed into the jins of kalimatul ain. The rest is over there that I'm leaving to for you to ponder on it. Then the same thing. That is the qaida ta tafa'ul wa tafa'ul. If any of the given 12 huruf comes into the kalimatul fa, over here in babu iftial that was kalimatul ain, and over here it is kalimatul fa of babu tafa'ul and tafa'ul, then the tai tafa'ul or tafa'ul can be changed into the jins of kalimatul fa, can be changed into the jins of kalimatul fa, and idgham can be done jawazan. In such case, hamzatul wasl is to be placed in. Now over there, hamzatul wasl was to be dropped, and in these two above, hamzatul wasl is to be placed before the sigas of, means before masdar, mazi, and amr. Bit difficult, but take your time. Don't rush. Try to understand it. Try to ponder on it. And inshallah, we'll discuss it together. I repeat these things. If 12 huruf that we have given, a ra was missing, you can supply the ra over there. If we are discussing it with respect to babu iftial, with babu iftial, and in babu iftial, in any of these 12 letters that comes in the place of kalimatul ain, now the ta iftial can be changed into the jins of kalimatul ain. Brother Ayman, are you with us?
Ji.
Right? Can be changed into the jins of kalimatul ain, and idgham can be performed or applied jawazan. But remember, because of this, in three sigas, siga of madi, siga of amr, siga of masdar, the kalimatul fa will become mutaharrik, and hamzatul wasl will be mahduf. It will be hadaf, it will be dropped. So from ikhtasama, it becomes khassama. From ikhtatala, it becomes qattala. From ihtada, it becomes hadda. Okay? And in Quran, the word yahiddi has been used. Okay? Now, with respect to babu tafa'ul and tafa'ul, now over here, we are going to discuss with respect to kalimatul fa of either of these two abwab. In babu iftial, we were discussing these 12 huruf with respect to kalimatul ain of babu iftial. But over here in these two abwab, we are discussing these 12 huruf with respect to kalimatul fa. If that comes kalimatul fa, then ta of babu tafa'ul and tafa'ul can be replaced or changed with the jins of kalimatul fa, and idgham can be done jawazan. In such a case, in three sigas, in siga of mazi, in siga of amr, in siga of masdar, hamzatul wasl can be brought before. Over there, hamzatul wasl was to be dropped. over here, Hamzatul Wasl can be brought. So inshallah, I leave it up to you for further pondering, going through its details, and inshallah we'll discuss together in coming session. I hope you understand. Any questions?
We understand, sir. No questions.
Alhamdulillah. Brother Ayman, do you have any question?
No, not at the moment, Ustad.
Okay. Jazakumullah khair. And with this, inshallah, we are ending here with a request for prayers for each other. And may Allah Almighty make it easy for us to understand the language of Quran and apply it. And may Allah give us more tawfiq.
Ameen. Ameen.
We end the session here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Salam.